Welcome back to Decor Like Dream, the place where outdoor spaces come to life. If your patio has been looking a little unfinished lately, you are not alone. One of the most overlooked details in any outdoor setup is the edging. It seems small, but the right border can completely transform how your entire space feels. It adds structure, definition, and that polished look that makes guests stop and say, "Wow, this space is really put together." Let's talk about why edging matters so much. Without a clean border, your patio can blend awkwardly into the lawn or garden, making the whole area look undefined and messy. Edging acts like a frame around a painting. It tells the eye exactly where to look and gives the design a sense of purpose. Whether your style is modern, rustic, or somewhere in between, the right edging pulls everything together and instantly elevates the overall aesthetic of your outdoor living area. One of the most popular choices right now is natural stone edging. Stones like slate, bluestone, or flagstone bring an earthy, timeless feel that works beautifully in almost any outdoor setting. You can stack them, lay them flat, or arrange them in irregular patterns for a more organic look. The best part is that natural stone is incredibly durable and gets better with age. It handles weather like a champion and requires very little maintenance, making it a smart long-term investment for your outdoor space. If you prefer something cleaner and more contemporary, concrete edging might be exactly what you need. Poured concrete borders give a sharp, precise line that looks incredibly sleek and modern. You can keep it plain for a minimalist vibe or add a light texture for some visual interest. Concrete is also very budget-friendly compared to other materials, and once it sets, it stays put for years. It is one of those solutions that looks high-end without the high price tag, which is always a win. No matter which style speaks to you, the key is choosing an edging material that complements your existing space while reflecting your personal taste. Great edging does not have to be expensive or complicated. It just needs to be consistent, well installed, and thoughtfully chosen. Start small, try one section, and see how much of a difference it makes. Once you see that transformation, you will wonder why you waited so long. Thanks for watching Decor Like Dream, and do not forget to subscribe for more ideas that bring your space to life.